Wait, maybe I'll search Pakistani anime. Pakistani anime? The Glass Burger, huh? It's a Pakistani anime? Directed by Usman Riaz Pracha, written by... The Glass Burger is a 2024 Pakistani animated movie. Wait, it's looking... Produced by Mano Animation Studios, co-produced by Riaz. Wait, it's looking good actually. I can't watch trailer, I'm not sure if it will get copyright. Wait, not bad. I wanna watch trailer. I hope I don't get copyright. Om Namah Shivaya.
लड़की वाले आते ही भाग जाते। अरे अक्षय बेटा इतना बढ़िया लड़का है पर कुंडली में तो कोई दोष नहीं दिखता।
दोष आपके शौचालय में।
खुशबू वाले डिटर्जेंट से खिंचते हैं।
डिटर्जेंट की ना घिसाई ना खुशबू टिके। नया बेस्ट एवर छोटू हापे।
It was a trailer. Yeah.
सफाई सिर्फ 5
Watching.
मिनट में।
Search for Yoshika Akira introduction. 1 second, bro. It's looking like a Ghibli movie to me. Ghibli. Wow.
I'll never forget my first day in waterfront town. When I
Wow,
ran
no
and
way.
first came upon the glassworks.
This is good. The animation is so
Never
good.
seen something so beautiful. It was magical.
Wow. Wow, this is no way Pakistan made it. Bro, I'm surprised.
Daughter over here. What can you be thinking, son? You are not like them.
Jinns are spirits created from smokeless fire.
Jeez, this is good.
Special powers. Some jinn are good
No
and some
way.
jinn are bad.
Is this jinn a good one or a bad one?
It's giving me vibes of Ghibli movies. You know Ghibli movies.
It's like the sun.
Plus Disney movies. Ghibli plus Disney.
The Great Ravine
Okay,
is
bye, Usman.
disputed territory. We claim it, so do they.
Now AOD type stuff, huh?
Idiocy.
I'm here to discuss business.
We will
I
not
am
help build these
shocked,
weapons of war.
amazed.
Be my brave girl now. Let me speak to Elise.
I'm impressed. I'm so much impressed. Wow.
I miss you, Vincent. You were right.
Hey,
Be
this
an
is
artist
good,
one must
guys.
Create. Because without art and music, what do we have in this world full of conflict and war?
This is a debut anime? Is it guys debut anime in Pakistan theater? Wow. Is it a debut anime? I mean the debut, wait, Mano Studios. I need to search Mano Studios more. Maybe they're doing a debut with this anime. Yeah, this is their debut. This is wow. So this guy made it, huh? The makings of class. Even I was shocked, like for once my country is doing something. Mia, I'm really so surprised too, Mia. That's really like appreciative. Like, I mean, I guess even India animation is not that good. Maybe India doesn't have any anime. They have some animation, yeah. I mean, I'm also like very shocked. Like it is made by Pakistan. Like you know, I'm just so shocked. Like wow, that's some unexpected thing. Pakistan looking rich here. Bro, she is. Is it really Pakistan? Or they making it somewhere else? Wow, so they design like that. This is so good, guys. Training art was so good that last gen is falling around 1,000+. Bro, that anime is also going crazy. Bro, always see OD in every anime. Bro, no, that was kind. I know about anime for Motu Patlu. Bro, Motu Patlu is not anime. It's just cartoon, bro. There's a difference between cartoon and Chota Bheem is also, I guess, part of India. Wait, is Chota Bheem made by India? I don't know. Even though, I mean, at least they were entertaining for kids. I mean, I enjoyed them when I was kid. Not gonna lie, even Chota Bheem, I like it. Chota Bheem, 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 Chota Bheem. And Krishna Balram was so good. Yeah, I am. Erin plays. Welcome, bro. It's been a while. How are you doing? क्या है कार्टून? छोटा भीम कार्टून एंड मोटू पतलू. Erin, see, this is Pakistani anime.
So why do I feel it's important for us to make this movie? And what do I want to say with The Glass Worker? The Glass Worker is an anti-war film. I believe that war is not the answer to anything. Ultimately, the people caught in the conflict suffer, regardless of whoever the victor is. The battles of the Great Ravine, a land of disputed territory between two sides at war,
Good night, Sammy.
are heavily influenced by the continuing conflicts that take place in the subcontinent and the world over. My grandfather was a colonel in the Pakistan Army, and my mother's childhood stories inspired Alize's experiences of watching her father, the colonel, leave home with a constant sense of uncertainty
so
surrounding
he made
his
this story
return.
Okay.
The Glass Worker is a very important film because the genesis of it really built from the understanding of the sentiment around war. We're seeing that war in any region across the world sends out a very big ripple effect of despair across the globe. At this time, a feature film that really talks about the way to finding that global peace docks itself as a very, very important message. The Glass Worker's intent.
Bro, I can guarantee this is gonna be hit. I can see it, bro. I can see it. It's a good story, good animation, good dialogues. It's gonna be hit. 100%, bro. It's literally gonna change Pakistan image, bro. It's really gonna change. I'm sure Pakistan gonna have future with it, bro. Yeah. This is gonna be so nice, like for real. Anyways, good night, bro. Good night, chat. Hey, good night, Path, bro. You will be so happy now, Mia, because this anime gonna do so many things now. They will make anime series. I can't believe it. It's almost looks like Japanese anime, like almost. To be honest, if we don't know who created this anime, I will just think it's Japanese anime, like because it's totally same. There's literally a difference, bro. Like it's just nice. It's gonna be out in Pakistan 26. I don't know when it's gonna be worldwide. True. Well, they still gonna release it like on illegal website. I don't know. Maybe after Pakistan it will release like in 1 year. But yeah, it's surely gonna be hit 100%.
As a film is not only technically brilliant because of a smart skill, but it has a very intense and a very, very important emotional core. In this world, there is no place for war. And that is the strongest message that the film communicates. And we hope that it reaches far and wide.
And also Pakistan looking rich here.
The glass scene throughout the film serves as an allegory for life. Life is beautiful, but it is also fragile.
Wow.
Life requires care and consideration to shape its beauty. With its vibrant colors and shifting forms, glassblowing is a magical medium worthy of exploration in animation. Alize's relationship with music reflects
His
my
thoughts are so
own
nice.
musical journey. I'm a classically trained pianist and composer. I grew up playing the works of various composers, but it was only when I began writing my own music that I realized I had a voice. There is a fantastical element to the film as well. Jinn, in Pakistani and Islamic culture, are beings created from smokeless fire. And in the film, the jinn serves as an unreliable narrator, influencing Vincent's decisions and guiding him through the world. Alize has written a letter to Vincent, reminiscing about their past and their time together. What happened to their friendship? Where is Alize now? How did they overcome the approaching war? These are questions that I hope keep the viewer intrigued throughout the course of the film. And I also loved the idea of seeing our characters fully developed in the start, and then peeling away the layers and discovering who they are and what their experiences were. If the animation is strong, but the story is not impactful, then you just have a bunch of pretty pictures. Animation is just ultimately a vehicle for the story
True.
and its themes.
This is true. Pakistan is so pretty, but I haven't been in pretty areas. Same. I also haven't seen Pakistan pretty areas. Like I also seen Pakistan bad side only. You know, like poor areas, bad sides, things like that. I am so amazed and impressed. And the way he was telling about it, it's nice. It's totally nice. मस्त तो लग रहा है ना? Oh, bro, I'm telling you, this is gonna change Pakistan. Future, bro. After this, they will keep making anime. Keep making anime. Search Hunja.